Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're just gonna be doing some songs. Just one. Sorry. A game that I would recommend you guys to get for iPod is Megaron. It's pretty fun. So hope you enjoy this video. Well, it's not all. Yeah, start over.
Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? That's odd. I thought that would be big news. You thought what would be big news? Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety. What are you talking about? Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard. Heard what?
And if you want to see the video, it's right here.
Brian, can I see that paper for a second? That's odd. I thought that would be big news. You thought what would be big news? Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety. What are you talking about? Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard. Heard what? Right. Don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. The bird. Surfing. Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
So that's the video. It's called Family Guy. Bird is the word. By the way, Family Guy is all caps. In this. Then it's line cap B lowercase I-R-D space is space the space capital W lowercase O-R-D. So yeah. Oh, I want to search something on Syndicate that you guys will crack up about. Not that, not that.
Oh, Mike, sorry. What's your name again? I told you that I'm calling you about your computer. Received some reports about you. Directly from your computer. And I told you I was just calling you. Your computer isn't here. Your computer hasn't signed us. Your computer has sent us some error virus alert on this. Because today you are just taking the internet connection, you are just registered your number, then it's not there, we are receiving the number. Oh, right, yes, totally accepted, right, okay. Okay, what is that? You like what you're saying? You know each and everything. Okay. all the rear locks. It is possible for you to clear all the rear locks. But why? What? But why? But why? Fuck off. What? Fuck off. But why?
So that's called, well, the other one is I don't know why it's so funny, but I just find it funny. The one that I just showed you guys was the Syndicate Project Best Bits. We love you. I'm guessing you. Yeah. We love you, Syndicate, yeah. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And, yeah. Oh wait, I'm still recording. Oh! Sorry about that, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Bird is the word. And, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, favorite, and comment. Thank you. Bye. Okay. See you next time, guys. Alright, bye.